Hey everyone, here's a tutorial on how to build a snow-covered spruce tree for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's start with an 8x8 plate. Let's set down 14 studs to represent fallen snow. And place a 2x2 round brick right in the center for the base of our tree. Take an 8 stud long cross axle, stick it right in the center of the 2x2 round brick, and let's slide on 7 of these 2x2 round bricks on top of the previous. Now take another 8 stud long cross axle, I'm going to place it in this area. Take a 2x2 modified plate with 8 sticks, we're going to place it through the cross axle down onto the previous 2x2 bricks. Then I'm going to take 2 more 2x2 bricks and place them right on top. This is going to be used to attach our branches. So let's take another 2x2 modified plate with 8 sticks and place this on top. And we're just going to repeat this pattern one more time. Take our last 2x2 modified plate with 8 sticks, place it on top, followed by a 2x2 round brick. Take a pair of 1x2 plates with stick, place them right on top of the 2x2 round brick. We're going to take another set of 1x2 plates with stick, place them in such a way that we have 1 stick on each side, followed by a 2x2 dome to lock everything together. Take a 5x6 leaf element and a stick with holder. Let's place the stick inside the top portion of the leaf. For our leaf assembly, let's make 24 of these. Now let's take 4 of our leaf elements. I'm going to place these on every other stick. Now, after we're done with this, we're going to fill in the other remaining 4 on this tier. And the reason why I'm doing this is to overlap the branches. It's easier to put them on this way. So I'm just going to place these like so. Rotate that around. You can see I got 2 more to put right here. And this is very strong when it's done. Now see how these overlap in this branch? Well, what I want to do is offset this one, and we're going to start here. And then I'm going to come around and do every other one on this tier. This is going to give it more of a rugged look. Put this last one here, and then we're going to fill in the remaining areas. See how this branch is sitting on top of these? Well, I want to do the same thing again on the top, but this time I want to make this one inset from the other branches. And I'm just going to continue around, skipping 1 stick, and we're going to do it around this back side, and then we're going to fill in these remaining holes. Now let's tackle the top remaining branches. For the last row of branches, take a 5x6 leaf element and a stick with holder. We're going to place it in the middle hole. We're going to make 4 of these in total. Now placing these branches on can be a bit of a challenge because this does get a bit tight. So we're just going to start and we're just going to work our way around very slow. Just place them on the 1x2 plates with stick. Be sure to do this very slow. Now let's check our branches and fluff things up a bit. So you're just going to start hinging things out. You don't have to really make this look perfect because it is a tree. Branches don't grow symmetric, so we're just going to kind of fluff things up a bit and give it some shape. It only takes a few moments to do this. Never had a branch fall off of these yet. Also, you could do this too, just roll it in your hands slightly. Not a lot of pressure, and it'll give it some nice character. As you can see on the bottom here, it looks like we have some snow that has fallen off the branches on here. And here we have Jay the Surfer, and it seems like he likes going underneath the snow-covered spruce tree. He can even sit down here too in the snow and pretend like it's warm outside so he can go surfing, which is still a long ways away. But there we have a nice snow-covered spruce tree.